Hello, good morning, children. I hope you all welcome our new year. I wish a very happy new year to all of you. And I wish this year brings a very much happiness and healthiness in your life. We had already completed our 5 lesson in our science subject. And today we start our new lesson, that is the 6th lesson, nest of birds. So open your textbook. Birds build their nest for the same reason as man builds his home. They usually lay their eggs in their nest, hatch and nurture the young ones till the time they can fly away. It is also very important to protect their newly hatched young ones from being eaten up by bigger birds and animals. Every kind of a bird has its unique ways of building its nest. If I were a bird, I had sing a song and fly about the whole day along. And when the night comes, go to rest up in my cozy little nest. Birds like ducks build their nest on the ground, often near a bush. Bald eagles build huge nests on a very high trees. Now I explain this much part, children. Children, where do you can live? You can live in your houses. So the birds lives in their where? Birds can live in their nest. Why do birds build their nest? Birds build their nest to lay their eggs in and keep them safe. To incubate their eggs means to hatch their eggs. Means what? When they sit on their eggs to give the warmness, it is called as hatching. To raise their chicks when the eggs can broke down. What comes? Chicks. For protection from predators and for protection from weather. For protection from predators means protection from bigger animals. Now, your all houses are same? You and your friend house is the same? No, na? Like that, birds' nests are very different. Some nests are very small one, some nests are very big one. Some birds can build their nest on tree, some can build near the seashore or on ground, and some can build on a very high places. Means birds build their nest in a different shape and different height. Now I read the next para. How birds build their nest. Birds collect dry leaves, straw, hay, grass and twigs to build their nests. They make the nest soft inside using a piece of cotton or feathers. They select a cozy place in the branches of trees where the nest will not be noticed by bigger birds and animals. Now listen. So listen, children. Many bird species lay their eggs in a shelter called as a nest, and they provide a safe, warm place for the parent birds to take care for their eggs and young ones, and hidden from predators and protected from bad weather. And there are the different types of nest. Now the materials used to build their nest. What is the material? Because there are different types of nest, so they can use the different types of materials to build their nest. So which materials, children? Listen. Some birds can use the sticks and twigs. Some can use grass, stalks and reeds. Then mosses and lichens. They also use leaves and down from plants. They also use mud. They use feathers. They also use hairs and fur from the other animals. They use spider silks, man-made materials. So children got which material they can use? Now next para. So the first nest, weaver birds. Weaver birds are known to build the best nest. These birds weave a beautiful nest with grass, dry leaves and hanging from a branch. The nest has a tunnel-like entrance. The weaver bird also takes care that the nest does not fall down easily. So the first nest is a weaver bird nest. Weaver birds can build a very beautiful and marvelous nest, and it is as good as a human being can build the building. So it is a very good nest, and it is the best nest in all birds' nest, children. So weaver bird can build a very much beautiful and marvelous nest, and it is a very largest structure which is built by a weaver bird. Now weaver bird construct their beautiful nest during the mating season to attract the prospective males. They can make a cradle shaped nest, and it is the best nest in all birds' nest. The weaver bird can tie the knots in the nest materials with its beak and feet, and by tying the knots the bird can make the nest more secure. See, the weaver bird can use their beak and feet to knots the materials, and they can make a very much beautiful and cradle shaped nest. And the weaver bird hang the nest on a tree branches, and the weaver bird often has a narrow tube like entrance. See, the narrow tube like entrance that opens upside down and making it hard for the predators to get inside. The weaver bird use a variety of plant materials to build their nest, including the strips of grass, leaves, twigs and roots also. See, by using the grass the weaver bird can make the nest. Here they can use the dry grass to make their nest. So weaver bird nest is a marvelous nest and best nest of all birds. Now next one, tailor birds. The tailor birds build its nest with leaves. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to stitch the leaves together with straw, wool or cotton. Wool, fine grass, hair and cotton keep the tailor bird's nest nice and warm. So children, you listen carefully when I read. Now I explain the second type, that is the tailor bird nest. Now I explain the tailor bird nest. So tailor bird gets their name from the way their nests are constructed. Now children, tailor. What do tailor? What is the work of tailor? They can stitch the cloths. Now this bird can stitch the adjoining leaves. That's why the bird's name is a tailor bird. Got now why they got tailor bird name? Now next, nests are built with the leaves that are pierced and stitched together with the spider's web or plant fiber. The leaves are pulled together and stitched. The leaves are pulled together and stitched to form a sort of cradle shaped, where the grass and other materials are placed within to construct a actual nest. So they stitch the two adjoining leaves by using their beak. The beak is work like a needle, and the plant fiber or spider web, it is used as a thread. And inside that nest, what they keep? They keep the grass and other grass or cotton to get the warmness. So tailor bird uses a grass and other fine materials to keep their nest very warm. Got na tailor bird nest? Now the next nest is the woodpeckers. The woodpecker makes its nest in the hollow of tree. It keeps the pounding the tree trunk with its hard and pointed beak to make its nest. Later it keeps the nest warm with grass and lay its eggs there. So children, you listen carefully when I read, and after that you also read. Now the third nest, it is the woodpecker nest. Are you remember? Woodpecker has a which one beak? They have a long chiseling beak. Now listen. The woodpecker nests are in a hollow of trees. The woodpecker makes the trees hollow by digging into it, known as excavation. By using their chiseling beak, they can make the hole. See how fast they dig the hole, dig the bark of a tree and make the big hole. And the woodpecker uses its chiseling beak to make the hole in a tree trunk or a tree bark. See, the woodpecker very fastly they can dig out the tree trunk, and they use their chiseling beak. And these woodpecker keep some grass and cotton inside that nest to get the warmness. So here children, we completed our first video. Now I tell the summary of this first video. So first of all children, I tell that why the birds can build their nest. So birds build their nest to lay, hatch and protect their eggs and young ones. Now next we discussed about the what materials birds use to build their nest. So birds what use? Birds use dry leaves, straw, hay, grass and twigs to build their nest. Then we discussed about the first nest, that is the weaver bird's nest. Weaver bird build a very much marvelous and beautiful nest, and they can use their beak and feet to knots the grass and the nest material, and they have a very small one or tiny entrance downside, and that can protect their young ones from the predators. Then we discussed about the next nest, that is the tailor bird nest. The bird can stitch the adjoining leaves. That's why the bird name is a tailor bird nest. And it can use their beak as a needle, and they can use the spider web or any cotton as a thread. And they can put some grass and cotton and hair inside the nest to get the warmness. After that we discussed about the woodpecker's nest. By using their chiseling beak, they can make the hole in a tree trunk, and they make the hole in a tree trunk and keep some fine grass material inside the nest to get the warmness. So children, up to here we discussed in our first video. Now the remaining nest we will discuss in our second video. So you can read the lesson very carefully and listen the video of first. So up to there children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you children.